Hello, my name is Ricky, and welcome to another episode of Lowe's How To Anything. It is a sunny day today, and sometimes we don't want that sun hitting us. We want some shade. So we are going to install an awning. Awnings are perfect for giving you that shade that you want and also helping to reduce heat. So let's assemble and install a retractable awning over a patio area. So this is the area that we decided to install our awning. Now you want to make sure when you install your awning, it is high enough so that people can walk underneath it, but low enough so that you can get the correct angles to block the sun. Awnings come in many sizes, shapes, and materials that can be fixed or retractable. But with all those different options, don't worry because Lowe's has you covered. So let's clear out this area and start measuring the wall. So I just cleared off the whole entire area and I pre-measured my wall before I picked up my awning from Lowe's just to make sure it's gonna fit. Now this awning's pretty big size. It's gonna go from wall to wall. And you have to look for obstructions like this lamp. So we're gonna install that awning above the lamp so that we have our proper clearance. Now since our awning is pretty big, eventually during the installation, I'm gonna need some help. So you should always check the manufacturer's instructions to see how many people you need to install your awning. So let's start assembling. Okay, I unboxed everything. It's nice and organized so that I can reach it. Now before we start, you need to look through the manufacturer's instructions to make sure there's anything specific that you need to be aware of. Like right here, it says do not remove the bindings. We don't want to do that. So we have everything laid out. I have my tools. Let's put this awning together. All right, my awning's all assembled and now it's time to mount the brackets. The instructions are very specific on where they need to be mounted, so I need to use my measuring tape to mark the spots, and I also need my laser level to make sure everything is nice and level. Okay, my marks are made. Now, we want to know what's behind this stucco. Is there a stud? Is it hollow? To determine that, I'll have to drill a pilot hole. We can't move these marks anywhere, so we have to drill in this spot. So I'll take a masonry bit, attach it to my drill, and I'll drill a pilot hole. If I hit a stud, then we will use lag screws. But if it's hollow, we will use expansion bolts. And remember, we're not just gonna drill pilot holes anywhere. We have to drill it right in the exact spot where we're gonna put our fastener. So once I drill through here, we'll know what we have. All right, let's talk about something very important, and that's safety. Whenever you drill into the exterior of a home, you never know what's behind that wall. You could have water lines, electrical lines, or gas lines. Always be aware of that surrounding area. For example, in here, I would walk inside and see if there's any water appliances where possibly a water line is going through, or an electrical line. Most importantly, you wanna make sure you're not drilling into the wall and you hit a gas line. Now, if you're drilling through the wall and you happen to hit something and you're not sure, that's when you stop and call a professional. And another way to double check yourself is to use a stud finder inside to help detect utility lines. So let's start drilling. I think we hit a stud. Okay, let's secure the other bracket. I hit another stud. How lucky can we be? Brackets up. Let's go get the awning. All right, my brackets are up. The awning is put together. Now, I told you in the beginning, I'm gonna need more than one person to get this awning up. So, I'm gonna call a special friend. Moses!
Ricky!
Yeah,
What you working on?
I'm putting up an awning.
Looking good, man.
Yeah, I need your help.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I'll take that side.
All right, let's go. You good?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, I'm in
All
there.
set? All right, Moses. Let's secure this awning now, all right?
Okay.
Bolt it down. Okay. Here you go, Moses. There you go.
Yeah,
All right,
I'll
bud.
take that. I'll take
that.
that from you. You did a really good job, Ricky. This
I know.
awning looks really good. All right, man. All tight?
right, we're good?
All good?
Okay. Thank you, buddy.
Absolutely.
Don't leave.
What you got
Last
for me?
thing. Well,
Full of surprises, aren't you?
it's a retractable awning, correct?
Oh,
So
let me see it in action.
let's watch.
Oh, you outdid yourself, man.
I know. Beautiful,
Tell you,
huh?
man, Lowe's comes through every time, don't they?
Yes, they do. Shade all
Wow.
day.
Wow.
Shade all day long. Keep going.
Keep going,
Okay,
man.
keep going.
You said retractable.
You
I
got
want
it.
to see retractable,
You
sir.
got it.
Oh, Ricky, that's beautiful.
Here we are.
That's beautiful, man.
Gorgeous, huh?
That's beautiful.
All right.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Beautiful.
That's good. Let me hand you your wrench
Moses,
back.
I need your help.
Oh, man. Let me go take care of Jackie, man.
Is that Jackie?
That's Jackie.
Okay.
Take care. Again.
Thank you, buddy. All right.
Absolutely.
Take care.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
You too.
And that's it. The awning is done. Now we can enjoy a shaded area year round. Now, if you want to install your own awning, you can find everything you need at Lowe's or Lowe's.com. Now, while you're there, if you need some help, feel free to talk to a Lowe's Red Vest associate and they'll be more than happy to help you out. And do me a favor, please like and subscribe this video and let me know what you want to see on the next episode of Lowe's How To Anything.